Captain Striper here to talk a little bit about parking lot layouts and general approach to a successful parking lot striping operation. So first off, know that safety is always number one. Second, know your surface, asphalt, concrete. If it's concrete, do a good power wash if it's dirty. If it's asphalt, do a good sweep and blow. It goes a long way. It doesn't matter what kind of material you use, it won't stick to dirt. So don't even try. Next, know what kind of parking lot layout you're trying to achieve. Are you doing a 90 degree? Are you doing a 60 degree? Know what you're going to be working off of. Every parking lot has set established points that you want to work off of, whether it be ramps, a storefront, or the handicap spots, the fire lanes, loading zones. All of these aspects are very, very vital to a successful layout. Have a map. Have it as a strategy that you're going to spread to your team members and have a good success rate. Communication is always key. So whenever you have all these things clicking, you're going to have a good layout. Next, know what kind of machine you're going to be using. Know what kind of tools you're going to need. Measuring tape, auto layout, lasers, chalk line. I mean, here we do lasers. We do auto layouts. And I'll tell you what, we never turn back. So then you're going to want to have an idea about what parking lot you're going to be striping as far as the communication goes with the customer. Is it going to be nighttime work? Is it going to be daytime work? Always know the safety measures that goes along with these type of conditions. Communication is key, not only with your team members, but with your customers. Next, you're going to want to have the machine ready to go. Has it been inspected? Has the trailer been inspected? Make sure all these are on par and you're going to be shooting for success. So, whenever you're working with the parking lot striper, you're going to want to know that the pumps are ready to go. For here, make sure your laser is calibrated and have an idea about what size tip you're going to be using, and your material should already be proven and ready to rock. So, the application. Whenever you start striping on a layout, you're going to want to always have a smooth operation, a smooth application. Don't rush it. Always take your time at first. And then whenever you get your flow, let it all hang out. Have your team firing on the same kind of mantra with safety and quality, and I promise you, you're going to have a lot of fun on a parking lot. Next, you're going to want to have a general idea about how you're going to approach the start and the finish. Have your finish line already set and ready to go. To get there, it always starts with a base. Find your baseline, square up your parking lot, and then just go from there. See, we're all artists out there on the parking lot. It's crazy whenever you could take a big bland expansion of asphalt and concrete and make it into beautiful, colorful art. So once you're done, you look at your product, your design, and you give it a big smile, because my friend, you just made art. Whenever this happens, that's when you can really say, hey, you know what? We're done. And we did it safely and with quality. And remember, going above and beyond for the customer always goes a long way. They always remember the contractor that gave them just a little bit more. Next, have fun on the parking lot. You know, smile whenever you're striping those lines. No, it's not how you start. It's always about how you finish. So finish strong, and I promise you, you're going to fall in love with a trade that you've always dreamed of. And no, it's not all about stripes and lollipops. Crazy things arise on a parking lot. Don't take it too seriously, but know that there's a solution for every problem. Know that it's going to be okay. It's all about your approach. Be a responder. Don't be a reactor. Once you get all these down, then you can honestly say, hey, you know what? I'm a parking lot striper and I love what I do. Happy striping, y'all.